So this one is a breakout trade. We pulled the stop loss down to break even, and it took that out, and I've decided to let it go because we've got 4 other trades running at the moment. But look at this signal here, sell, sell. You can see it's a little bit hard to see, but there's 2 signals, and they trigger when all of the bars on our indicator paint red. So here we have a sell, a sell. Which one of these would you not want to take? Let's just run through and have a look and see how they stack up. Just from the top down, these are the signals that have been firing. Let's see if there's any duds in here. Okay, sell, and let's say we go tight stop. Look at that, guys, there's a 3R already, and I will be tightening up my stop. Just give me a little bit of time to get used to the new signals. You know, well, you could have pulled your stop loss there. Call it 2R. Okay, so there's a couple of signals there. Here's a nice one right here. Take it on the pullback, something like that. Stop above, very tight. 7R, guys, 7.5R if you went with a tight stop. Let's run through. Okay, we've had a look at those. Euro yen, I don't see any that would cause me any issues at all. Look at that, 4R. Okay, but again, I'm very cautious. You know, where would you set your stop loss on that? Actually, see the cloud? It's got to go in the cloud. If there's no clear swing point, it goes in the cloud, and that gets you out of trouble. Stop loss just slightly above the cloud at the entry point, and you know, look where we are. Look at this one here, short, sell. Stop loss in the cloud or above the previous high. At the moment, the dollar CAD indicators are available. Look at these. Which one would you not want to take? Long position. Start back down in here and build your position. There's a 5 near 4.5R. Increase your position by adding to your position on every one of these signals. Look at them. The buy signals. I've never seen anything like this, guys. I guess you get the picture. New Zealand Swiss. You know, I'm trying to find a signal that falls short. Well, I mean, look, you've been adding to your position back here, all through here, so you're in a ton of profit. If that's a buy, stop loss under the previous low, you know, you've already reached 3R on that one. If we go with the tight stops. Okay, here's one that got taken out. There you go. Buy. Okay, there's your stop, tight stop, well, in the cloud, right, there's a stop run. That's going to happen. You have to allow for these runs on liquidity, that they are going to be, look at this one down in here, but look at the opportunity on this rotation. Oh, guys, we're going to be in for a really interesting time, I can tell you right now, but, you know, buy, look at them. Yeah, and, you know, you want to jump in when you see these reversing like this, and we're trading out of the cloud, and then you just keep adding to it, guys. Look, long position, stop in the cloud, stop in the cloud. Okay, you can't go wrong, stop in the cloud, and at some stage it'll turn around. But gee, you know, and trail it until it trades back into the cloud, you know. So this traded back into the cloud here. There it is here. That's the cloud. You can see the high and the low of the cloud there. Right, trades into the cloud here, you know, and all of these that have been, you know, opened previously would close there. Nice. Slowly but surely, you know what I want to do. Today's the first day, guys. We've only just kicked off. Look, we might even have another signal, but not yet. Still green. Yeah, this is just the first day we've been using these indicators. You know, our VIP trades are well and truly in profit at the moment. We've got 1, 2, yeah, we've got 4 running now really nicely. Actually, 3 of them stop losses are at break even. US 100, and if you want to trade gold, that's another thing. Right, I think the rule of thumb is definitely going to be a tight stop. But look, it doesn't take long to reach 3R with a tight stop. There it is, 3R, 3.3. Stop under the range down in here. Or actually the stop loss, see this yellow line? This is a previous weekly high or low. Daily, I should say. Stop loss under that, and it traded straight up into 3.85, you know, even 4R, look at that. And back here we go, look. So gold is another one too that people are really interested in. Let's have a look at gold. I haven't found a dodgy signal yet, guys. Short position. I saw this today and was a little bit reluctant to take it. 5R. Reluctant to take it because I don't want to be getting involved in, you know, where I see a move like this. I want a pullback into equilibrium, and that would have been my entry point back in here. You know, but you can ignore that. Look, and the thing is too, if you take a few of these, and you know, you're well and truly ahead, go to town. You know, when you've built some bit of padding in your account, that's when you can take a lot more risk. Look at this. Sell, stop in the cloud, 6R, 7, down into this yellow line, 7.5R. I haven't seen a dodgy signal yet. Short position again, stop above there. If there's no cloud, just go above the high. And that just went on and on and on. There's no signal here. Yeah, so the signals occur when everything lines up on the indicator. So we get all of the bars red there, and there's your signal. Okay guys, I can tell you now, BIP is going to go up shortly. This is really valuable. I would encourage you, if you like what you're seeing here, to go straight over to my indicators link, jump on board. There's a couple of videos there while it's $29.95 a month. That is not going to last, and I'm thinking maybe this week that's going to jump up considerably. You lock it in, you'll need to lock it in with a PayPal. If you go with USDT, Bitcoin or Skrill, you have to make sure that you make your monthly or whatever it is payment right on the day. If you're late and you miss a day, then your subscription's cancelled and you have to start again at the new price, right? The easiest way to do this is lock it in with PayPal, and that'll be locked in for as long as you stay with it. $29.95. This will be going up very, very shortly. Now, you can, if you want to take the free trial, you get 14 days. However, you don't gain access to the indicators. You can jump on board for 14 days, lock in the discount, and watch this for 14 days if you like, at no cost whatsoever. And that's not a bad idea. So don't hold back. Take this opportunity while it's here, and incredibly discounted. Okay, it's a bit of a promo thing at the moment. All right, that's just a quick update on the our new trend sentiment indicator and the signals that it's providing. To be continued. As always, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.